Yes, blessed family, and today on HP Cooking Channel, I'm going to be making some stuffed veg chicken bake. So this is all my ingredients that I'm going to be putting into it. So I got my cayenne pepper, my all-purpose seasoning, my oxtail seasoning, my turmeric, my cock soup, and my onion, carrot, garlic, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, and green onion. So catch me when I cut up everything and I mix it together. So yes people, so this is my chicken all cleaned up. So the veg is all cut up and good to go. So remember, carrot, tomato, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, thyme, garlic, and scallion. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put these all in that bowl with the carrot and mix everything up and then add the dry seasoning. So right on this plate I got my cock soup mix. So 2 tablespoons of cock soup mix. So right now what I'm adding, half a tablespoon of oxtail seasoning, half a tablespoon of turmeric, one tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add this to my wet ingredients, and mix everything together. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add my chicken into the mixture. I'm going to mix them together. So this is my chicken all stuffed. So I put the seasoning inside and poke little holes and put the seasoning inside. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put this in the fridge for about half an hour. Let it sit and marinate. One of oil in the pan. So I'm just making sure it's coated. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the chicken. So my chicken is all in the pan. So right here I got some fries that I'm going to be cooking with my chicken. So what I'm doing right now, I coat the pan with a little bit of vegetable oil and the fries as well with the vegetable oil. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to season up the fry with some all-purpose seasoning and a little bit of cayenne pepper. So the all-purpose seasoning is on my fries, so I'm going to cook this for big chicken, 20 to 25. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip this over. So yes, people, by the way, this is what dinner look like for me tonight. Got a big stuffed chicken with veg and fries. Shalom.